Say there's a cabin air filter in the Honda Ridgeline. I don't think there's a set time to replace it. It really depends on how much you run the fan and how much you drive. Basically, a HEPA filter for the cabin. I bought a factory one. I've purchased plenty of the Fram ones and local store ones, but for many other vehicles, and they never fit right. So I just bought a factory one. It's not too much more money, and it's behind the glove box. So the first thing you do is you empty your glove box out, because everything will fall out. Open it up, empty glove box, and all you're going to do is take two hands and squeeze here and here, or maybe one at a time. And I'll do it. And you just squeeze in a little bit, and it releases these at the end. So no tools required, and it'll go down to its service position. And then the filter is located right here. All right, turn the light on. Now all you gotta do is push and pull, push, and pull, and then this will release, and just grab one of these webs right here and just take it out. What's nice is this filter sits in a tray. Yeah, that's definitely dirty. So we are going to remove the old one. Really nothing here to clean. And you'll see right here, airflow down. You see that? You see the arrow right here? New filter out and spin it around until you see the airflow sign. Put the hard surface on the sides and the soft on the front and the back. And then you're just going to slip that back into the tray. Now my airflows are all lined up, and work it in there. There we go. Did it with one hand. And it looks like it's okay. All right, and then you're going to slide it back into this tray at the back here. It'll only go in one way, and it will clip in on both sides. And then same thing, you got to squeeze these little tabby things. We're all done. You can throw this one in the garbage.